Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. You know the drill. If you're watching in recording, you can fast forward 5 minutes, or you can stay with us through our hellos. Good morning, Joey. You're early today. Good morning, Jean. Good morning, Yanni and Rosie. Good morning, Michael. Good morning, Maria. Oh, you are early today, too. Good morning, Mary. Good morning, Mary. Good morning, Sandra. All right, it is time for us to start. And today we continue exploring the four elements in our body: earth, water, fire, and air. And if you haven't done the practice yesterday, um, we did four elements, different body scans according to each element. I really encourage you to go back and do it. As Judy said yesterday in the comment, that we need to do it over and over again to really get the benefit of it, because it's such a subtle energy. But anyway, we each embody all four elements to a lesser or greater degree in different contexts in our lives, and each has potential benefits and downsides. For example, focusing on the earth element underneath you can help you settle into calmness more easily. Focusing on the water element might help you to not tighten up too much in your practice or your life in general. Focusing on fire can help you stay awake, and being aware of the air element in the body can help you not to take it all too seriously. Each element has a certain type of breath associated with it. So yesterday we explored it through different body scans, and today we're going to do a similar thing but add a breath type to it. Fire is more pushing and more in the solar plexus. Water is more flowing breath, more in the belly. Air is light and easy. And earth is more rhythmic and steady and more in the lower belly. So let's explore this together now. Take a comfortable position, and as always, notice all the circumstances of your practice. And see if you can settle in and notice everything, not as an outside observer, but as a body, breathing and sensing itself. Now start scanning the body, starting today or this time from the bottoms of your feet, going upward to the crown of your head, emphasizing the earth element, which means scanning your body slowly, steadily, feeling the support of the earth under your body, knowing that this support is always available for you and you can tap into it anytime you want. You may also want to put your hands palms down to increase the earthiness of your practice. As you do your scan, pay attention to your breath, and without forcing anything, allow your breath to go as far down as your lower belly and to become more and more rhythmic and steady with each breath cycle. Rhythmic and steady breath, scanning the body from bottom to top, embodying the earth element as much as you can without forcing it. Now take a nice breath in and out. Maybe even open your eyes for a few moments if they were closed. Shift your position a little as we prepare for scanning the body in a more watery way, embodying the water element. You can start this scan from the top of your head or from the bottoms of your feet, whatever you want. And this time, let your attention be fluid and receptive. Feel the relationships between different parts of your body. Allowing micro adjustments in the posture will help you connect to the fluidity of the water element, so you can explore that. Not big movements, but micro adjustments. Also here, pay special attention to your breath And without forcing it to change, see if you can allow the breath to come easily into your belly. The breath flowing in and out, and perhaps your belly expands a little as you inhale and deflates a little as you exhale, relaxing. Notice if there is any rigidity in this breath. And if this is the case, allow the breath to flow easily, like the waves, slowly coming towards the shore and then receding back into the ocean. Breathing like the ocean. Once again, let that go. Even if you didn't finish the scan, it's okay. Take a nice breath in and out. If your eyes were closed, maybe you open them for a few moments. Shift your position a little. And we're going to scan the body in a more fiery way. Start this scan from top to bottom and do it kind of fiercely, purposefully, passionately. And let your purpose here be to find out how the fire element expresses itself in your body. See if you can sit a little bit more intently upright, again without forcing, but finding this natural tallness, natural length of your spine. Does this bring out subtle fire into your body? Here, focus on your solar plexus, the body's sun center. And if you know the technique called the breath of fire, you can do a few rounds of that. If you don't know this breathing exercise, don't worry about it at all. Simply focus on your solar plexus as you scan your body and allow your breath to become more fierce, a little bit more pushy, stronger. You can emphasize your strong exhales, for example. Once again, let this little practice go. Maybe open your eyes, maybe shift your position a little, and we'll do the final scan of the body today, embodying the air element and bringing the element of air into our breath, which is kind of always there by default, by definition. Do the scan in a very light way, in a fun, non-attached way. Maybe rest your hands with the palms up. Maybe reach the top of your head towards the sky and see if you can feel lighter and lighter throughout your whole body. As you do this scan, let your breath be super easy, very light. Without trying too hard, see if you can follow the trajectory of your breath. From the moment the air in front of you becomes your breath as you inhale, to the moment when your breath merges back into the atmosphere and becomes air again as you exhale. Light and easy. No pushing, no forcing. Maybe you can even imagine the space your inhale is creating in your body. Maybe even visualize the space within molecules. How does that feel? Embodying the breath and the scan. In the energy of the air element. As you go through your day today, notice how each of the four elements, earth, water, fire, and air, expresses itself through your body, in your body. See if you can identify and connect with a felt sense of each element. And notice which element is easier and more familiar to you as it expresses itself in your body, and which element takes the most effort. And always remember, it's just an exploration. So have fun with it. I'll remind you that most of us live outside of our body most of the time. So of course, these embodied practices may feel quite challenging and maybe even frustrating, elusive. Keep practicing. Keep your intention pure to connect with all of this that we're talking about, and it will come. I know this from my own experience. So once again, I remind you, it's just an exploration. Have fun, explore, enjoy. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.